I'm Keira Rathbone and I'm an artist, specialising in typewriter art. I was studying my fine art degree, and I think I went back home to pick up my typewriter and thinking I'd use it for writing in my sketchbook, but when it came down to it I didn't have anything to write. So still really wanting to use my typewriter, I I just thought I'd see if I could draw with it, and that sort of triggered a whole lot of experiments off, and started off making portraits out of the different characters, so brackets and forward slashes and whatever mark suited what I was trying to draw, really. So I started using it as a mark making technique. The performance element sort of crept in when I decided to take it out of my bedroom and studio, and just out and about into the fields and on the suspension bridge in Bristol and up the Cabot Tower. I was up there, and I just started noticing people's reactions, that it was getting a lot of different reactions from the public. Suddenly decided to develop that into it's a performance element to it now, definitely. And over the years, because I've been doing it for about 6 years now, I've started dressing the part as well, so sort of in respect to my typewriters, and actually I've always really liked vintage things, collected records and such like, so kind of all fell into place. And I've got about 15 in my last count. I've got a friend that works down at the recycling centre in Wimborne, and he phones me when a nice one comes in, sends me a text with a picture on there and says, you might want to come and have a look at this one. So it's taking up quite a lot of room at the moment. But the idea is that my next exhibition I'm gonna have them all in there with the work. So yeah, I think as growing up, I've lived with my mum and her mum most of my life. So either my mum would be typing up a letter or something, or my gran would be writing an air letter to somebody back in South Africa, and so there'd always be this tapping, and it was really annoying at the time, but typewriters were always there, so I liked playing with them. Never had anything to write though, except maybe hello, but then there was a massive gap, and then taking up drawing with it, it just seemed a more natural thing to do with it for me. And although I paint and draw as well, this has become my main art form now. So, and I do love it, and I think that collecting the typewriters as well I like collecting things, so it's sort of taking over as well. So and the people that I meet when I'm going out and about typing, it's really amazing. All walks of life, children through to elderly people. Everyone's got some sort of connection with typewriters. So I get to meet a lot of interesting people.